10 tips to make your PC faster. Hello, and welcome to our channel. If you've noticed that your computer is running a bit slower than usual, don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll share 10 tips to help you make your PC faster and more efficient. Let's dive right in. Tip 1. Update your operating system and drivers. The first step to speeding up your PC is to ensure that your operating system and device drivers are up to date. Regular updates can provide performance improvements and security enhancements, so it's crucial to keep everything current. Tip 2. Manage startup programs. Have you ever wondered why your PC takes forever to boot up? It could be due to too many programs launching at startup. By managing your startup programs, you can significantly reduce boot time and free up system resources. Tip 3. Clean up disk space. Over time, your hard drive can get cluttered with unnecessary files, which can slow down your computer. By cleaning up disk space and removing temporary files, you can create more room for your system to operate smoothly. Tip 4. Disable visual effects. While visual effects may look appealing, they can also consume a lot of system resources. Disabling unnecessary visual effects can free up CPU and RAM, potentially boosting your PC's speed. Tip 5. Upgrade your hardware. Sometimes, the best way to make your PC faster is to upgrade its hardware components. Consider adding more RAM, switching to a solid-state drive SSD, or upgrading your CPU for a noticeable performance boost. Tip 6. Use a lightweight antivirus program. Antivirus programs are essential for protecting your PC, but some can be resource-intensive. Consider using a lightweight antivirus program that offers robust protection without slowing down your system. Tip 7. Defragment your hard drive. If you're using a traditional hard drive, regular defragmentation can help optimize file storage and improve overall system performance. Tip 8. Disable unnecessary services. Your computer may be running background services that you don't actually need. By disabling unnecessary services, you can free up system resources and streamline your PC's operation. Tip 9. Overclock your hardware. Advanced users only. For advanced users, overclocking your CPU or GPU can squeeze out extra performance. But be sure to do thorough research and proceed with caution to avoid damaging your hardware. Tip 10. Clean your PC internally. Lastly, don't forget to physically clean your PC by removing dust and debris from its components. Overheating due to dust buildup can cause performance issues, so regular cleaning is essential. And there you have it, 10 tips to make your PC faster. We hope you found these suggestions helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tech tips, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.